Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a basket comb pullback. If you know how to do a basket pullback already and a basket comb already, then you are perfectly set up to learn this move. Links to those in the description below, so you can go back and fill in that gap in your repertoire if you don't already know it. Assuming you're ready, the combo looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it's just a slightly more complicated, slightly sweeter version of something you probably already know. So it starts like a standard basket. We go back, we go wrap. As we twist the lady out, we comb with the left, but we don't let go of the hand. We send the lady forwards and we comb with the right to the nape of the lady's neck, and again we don't let go of the hands. We use this position to start the lady walking backwards. Guys head down the right hand side, let go with both hands but leave the left on the lady's shoulders so it drags across, down the arm, picking up the lady's right. Guys don't need to get right back in front of the lady. Staying slightly out to the left is good because you end with a travelling return to finish off and step back. So let's do that again from the other side and talk numbers. So we go back 1, wrap 2, twist the lady out with a comb 3, bring the lady forwards with another comb 4, sliding back 5, catching 6, travelling return 7 and back 8. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, basket comb, pull back. You go offer, wrap, comb, comb, slide, catch, over and out. And that's the whole thing. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell. It helps promote what we're doing. It means we can get more stuff out there. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.